Hey there, how are we all doing today? Today we are taking a look at the SPB335, as you can see on the box there. This is part of the Seiko Black Series. It is the Night Vision Black Series. There you got the booklets, your warranty cards are in there. Those are important, but not why we're here watching this video unless you like looking at booklets. But nope, let's come here for the main thing. Let's take a look at the watch, and of course it looks beautiful in the plastic even. And here we got, this is a Seiko dive, and this one is the thinnest Seiko dive. This is the cushion shaped Seiko that came out in 2022. So very, very cool, and I'm glad they did the other two, the 110th anniversary of wristwatches, and they had the one with that kind of ice dial, which is really cool. But I'm digging this Black Series like the other Black Series. Every watch in this Black Silver Series is pretty killer, and right here it is a green LumiBrite Pro. There you got the tsunami on the back of the dial. The green LumiBrite Pro is what you see on the markers there of the dial. It's just so vibrant, it kind of glows off the black dial. And I like how it is a matted black instead of a shiny black. This one here, you've got the rubber band. It really gives you the look of a cool tool watch. The cushion shape Seiko is basically the 1968 reference, the 6105-8000. It's kind of the in-between watch where we saw the 68, and then that was the monoblanc case that went into then, you know, the famous Willard in the 1970. So this one's kind of in between watch, but it is its own unique thing with its own unique case. So this is the recreation of that watch. This is powered by the 6R35 movement, which gives you a power reserve of 70 hours. So the whole Night Vision series is, you know, dedicated of like how it would look looking through a night vision scope. And it is the green LumiBrite Pro on the hands, indexes, and the bezel. We'll take a look at this in the dark soon, and you can see how well it glows. Overall, just a real simple watch design, real cool, no fuss, but it gives it that cool stealth look. And it's a 24 joule movement, and as I spoke about before, this is the thinnest case Seiko dive they make. It is a 12.3 millimeter thickness, and the diameter on this guy is 41 millimeters. The crystal is a curved sapphire crystal, and it has an anti-reflective coating on the inner surface. It is LumiBrite again, and it is 20 millimeters. If for those of you like to change the bands, throw maybe a NATO strap on here or something, it is a 20 millimeters between the lugs. This is 200 meter or 660 feet, and it has a magnetic resistance. Overall, just a cool looking watch. You can see it here. The 41 millimeter watch. My wrist is a 7.5 inch wrist, so it's not a huge looking watch, but it takes up some good real estate, so it looks cool. And what's nice is about the thinness, even with the lugs kind of bend towards your wrist, so it doesn't feel that big even. It wears well. It's good around the boat. You don't really bang it around and everything, so it is nice for a dive watch. It's simple. It doesn't have
Oh, Randy
all the
was like that.
doodads that you get on some of these
Randy
dive
from
watches, and
Randy's.
sometimes you just want to see the time. And this one is great for that. So let's take this baby in the dark and let's see that illuminate. And here we go. Again, on this night series, I'm having a hard time focusing in on it because it's just kind of so bright in the dark. You can see it glowing here, so it's in person, you know, your eyes will see it better than this camera is at focusing in on it. I'd like to take the time for thank you all for watching the video. I appreciate it. If you're interested in this watch or any other Seiko, please look us up at depalas.com, and please like and subscribe if you want to find out more cool Seiko watches like this. Thank you. Have a good one. Goodbye.